把这个一吃，晚上就不用吃饭了。
我本来晚上准备去。
臭宝要在了，我还没时间请你呢，我还得回家给臭宝做饭。
啊，对对对。
都去农村了。哎，微信，来过来。
So she's trying to help us prepare the food. Hello.
Hello.
哇，这么帅的帅哥。
可爱吧？
你叫什么名字
？Hello， 你这样 ，Hello。
Hello, how are you?
说 How are you 说吗？
Sure, I'm fine.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. 说
Sure, I'm fine.
How are you?
说嘛。
你回答
I'm fine.
Thank you. How are you?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What's your name? 你叫什么名字？
你叫你
自己不知道要叫姐姐给你帮。
你撇到我这儿。
行，可以。给你们俩收费怎么样？
你就不操心收费了，给你们都打5折。打5折了，咱自己人嘛，都是西北的嘛，我是兰州的嘛。
哦，
你真的要去叫姐姐帮忙你吗？
离我们这儿远不远？
啥？
你
谢谢
们这儿开班离我们这儿远不远？就
就地中花园嘛。
We're in the restaurant here. I don't know, it's like, what's this restaurant called?
Hey sir, this is a Muslim restaurant.
Yeah.
It's specialized in fried muttons and noodles. Yeah. We used to eat it in the east of Shiji Road. Now they moved to
A new location.
a new location, our
Yeah,
community. So let's try it again. It's really yummy. It's
Yeah.
worth trying. Thank you very much.
Yeah, sure. So we're gonna try to eat this delicious meal over here and enjoy it together. Let's try. We rate it. Let's go. The beef is so tender. But I feel like I'm gonna be so full.
In the morning, I also ate the 胡辣汤啊。臭宝回他前线的爷爷奶奶家了，他明天就回来，明天给你玩啊。Does it taste good?
It tastes so nice. I remember which one to like near your home there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all I could add.
It's not as good as this one.
Yeah. But the gentleman, I think, is good.
Noodles.
Yeah. Oh, the food is so nice. Let's enjoy it. They've mixed it with some kind of noodles, handmade noodles. You can also drink some local juice here. The boy is looking at me so happy. He came to hide behind me. Yeah, so I just found like a place which has got so many kinds of street foods here, and it's kind of interesting. Like it's more like a place where there's like a kind of government show, and then people are just coming to watch the show, eat the street food, and just have some good fun all the time. They have all sorts of local street foods here. I'm gonna come out tomorrow night to try the food.